Signs of a burst supply pipe. While freezing is known as a major cause of burst pipes, there are other causes of pipe leaks. Installation issues, physical damage, and rust can all cause holes on a pipe. Even the tiniest leak can ruin the floor, damage the drywall, and lead to many more damages that can be costly to repair. Finding a leak early enough can help to stop it before it leads to serious issues. Here are the signs of a burst supply pipe. Changes in water pressure. If a supply pipe has a small hole, then you'll get less water pressure from the faucets and the shower. Reduced water pressure may also cause clogs in the sink and toilet. The reduced water pressure may not be powerful enough to push waste down the drain. Thus, if you notice an unexplained or sudden drop in water pressure, then it's likely that the supply pipe is leaking. In case the supply pipes are frozen, then no water will come out of your shower or faucets. Water marks. Most pipes run behind the walls. If a pipe leaks behind a wall, it may leave dampness or marks on the wall. In multi-story homes, pipes usually run upstairs to the laundry rooms or bathrooms. These pipes may leak and damage the ceiling. In case you see any signs of wetness, then you'll get an idea about the location of the leak. Its location will determine the nature of the repair. You may have to remove a section of your ceiling or drywall to reach the leak. Standing water. In case the leakage is major or may have existed for quite some time, then you'll probably notice drips, puddles, or even water gushing out from that area. You can trace the leak by following the water source. A leak in the main water pipe can lead to puddles or a sinkhole near the leaking area. In case you notice sinkholes and puddles, then call a plumber immediately to investigate the issue. Odours and water discoloration. If water from a faucet looks discolored, then it's likely that a supply pipe is leaking somewhere or is about to leak. Brownish water is an indicator of rust in the pipes. Rust often causes leakage. Water odor may result from pipe leaks. Leaks make it challenging for the plumbing network to drain sewer waste away from the home. Consequently, there will be clogs and odors. Strange sounds when using water. Burst pipes can cause issues that lead to unusual noises. For instance, you may notice whistling and bubbling sounds. Bubbling may occur when air finds its way into the sewer system as a result of a leak. Dented supply lines may end up leaking, thereby leading to whistling noises as water attempts to force its way through the dented and constricted section. In case a leak is already behind the walls, then you may hear some dripping sounds. Pipe issues. Some pipes are usually exposed, especially those passing beneath the sink or across the basement. These pipes may show some signs of bursting. Condensation, ice, or frost on exposed pipes is an indicator of freezing pipes or pipes that are about to freeze. Bulges that may be formed on a pipe is a sign that the pipe is frozen and it's bulging due to expansion. The expansion can cause a major burst. In case the pipe is yet to burst, you can thaw it to prevent further damage. Increasing water bills. If your water bill has increased suddenly despite maintaining the same water consumption habits, then it's likely that water is leaking somewhere in your plumbing system. Leaking water can accumulate to a lot of water wastage, thereby leading to increased bills even when you're not using the water. For instance, if the water meter is running constantly and all the faucets and fixtures are not running, then you probably have a leak. Locating the leakage. It's easy to locate some leaks. For instance, you can easily spot where a drip or puddle is coming from. You can as well notice water stains and markings on a drywall. It's easy to notice a leaking holes on exposed supply pipes. Leaks that occur on exposed supply pipes, you'll easily notice the hole. However, some leaks may be hidden behind the walls, making them challenging to locate. If you're suspecting a leak, the first thing you should do is figuring out whether it's located outside or within your home. First, turn off every water appliance. Don't use any toilets, faucets, and other water fixtures when doing the test. Next, check your water meter and note down the current reading. Allow for 30 minutes and check the meter again. In case the reading has changed, then your plumbing system is leaking somewhere. Next, figure out whether the leak is within your home or outside. Turn off the water shutoff valve at the point where water goes into your home. Then check the water meter. In case it has stopped moving, then the leak is probably within your home. In case the meter is still moving, then you probably have a leak outside your home along the main water line. Upon determining that your plumbing is leaking, do some extra digging to find the leaking hole. Check for obvious signs of leakage to determine the source of the problem. Start with checking obvious spots such as showers, sinks, and toilets. If you're unable to find the location of the leak, contact a plumber to locate it and do the necessary repairs.